To turn on Apple Pay on your iPhone, start by opening the Wallet app, which can be found on your home screen. If you don't see the Wallet app, swipe left on your home screen and type Wallet in the search bar. Once you have opened the Wallet app, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen to add a new card. You will then be prompted to select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Choose the type of card you want to add and tap Continue. Next, you will need to take a photo of your card or manually enter the card details. If you choose to take a photo, place your card on a flat surface and align it within the frame on the screen. The camera will automatically capture the card details. If you choose to manually enter the card details, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. The security code is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. After entering the card details, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of Apple Pay. Read through the terms and conditions carefully and tap Agree to continue. Your bank will then verify the card details and may ask you to provide additional verification, such as a code sent to your phone or a call to confirm your identity. Once your card has been verified, you will receive a notification that your card has been added to Apple Pay. You can then use Apple Pay to make payments in stores, online, and in apps. To use Apple Pay, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay to make online purchases by selecting Apple Pay as the payment method at checkout. It is a good idea to make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS and that your card is compatible with Apple Pay. You can check the Apple website for a list of compatible cards and devices. In addition, you can add multiple cards to Apple Pay and switch between them easily. You can also use Apple Pay on other Apple devices, such as your Apple Watch or iPad, by signing in with the same Apple ID. Overall, turning on Apple Pay on your iPhone is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can start using Apple Pay to make convenient and secure payments.